Ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At the outset, I extend my sincerest gratitude to those who support and guide us and brought me to where I am standing right now. To the members of the Philippine Army Board of Senior Officers and to the, of course, to the Commanding General of the Philippine Army, to the members of the AFP Board of Generals headed by our Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romeo S. Ronel, and the Secretary of the National Defense, Honorable Gilberto C. Teodoro, for their recommendation and endorsement to the President of the Republic of the Philippines and to the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., for his approval of my designation as the 55th Commander of the 4th Infantry Diamond Division. May I also extend my gratitude to my former bosses and mentors, retired Lieutenant Generals Ricardo Reiner Cruz, Lieutenant General George Segovia, Lieutenant General Aurelio Baladad, Lieutenant General Robert Angrang, General Jose Boy Postino, Major General Romeo Lestastica, whose words of wisdom, ideas, and advices provided me valuable insight and inspiration as I face different challenges while going up in the ladder of my military career. Appreciation and gratitude is also extended to my family in Cavite. They are watching through FB right now, my mother, my sisters, my nephews and nieces, and to my father and brother, who unfortunately nasa kabilang buhay po sila, but I believe that they are really very happy of what I have achieved. Of course, to my in-laws, both here, the Philippines and in the US, my upperclassmen, i-mention ko po ulit, si Colonel General Rodi Villanueva, General Alan Hambala, and Brigadier General Consuelo Tigrekla. Kung hindi po naaalam, si General Yekla po actually, siya yung nagbigay, hindi ko ma-atay ito, I believe, kumpara rin po sa suporta niya during his tenure as Brigade Commander of 103rd Infantry Brigade. Alam ko ba kailangan talaga yung wisdom at saka yung brilliance mo, especially as we are moving towards the dismantling of the two remaining regional committees of the City Communist School. My staff, of course, and to my newfound friends here in the CDO, maraming pong salamat ulit, sir.